Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Queen of Swords in reverse, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, and Page of Wands in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you lack clarity today. Maybe when you're making some important decisions, or it may be something in your relationship, some choices you need to make, or regarding this person, you have a lot of confusion, doubts on this person, and you feel that you cannot trust them. Maybe the way they are, the things they tell you, some lack of clarity, or it may be in your career circumstance. You are quite confused, unable to decide something for yourself, what choices to make or what decisions to make. So, some lack of clarity is there in your circumstances, Libras. And even in this relationship, you have a lot of confusion, doubts. You cannot understand what this person is thinking or what is their stand, maybe because you feel that by the way they are behaving, their words, there is a lack of clarity, and this person is hiding something. They are not showing you their true face. They are really acting like a good person, a good friend, like a reliable one. But in truth, they are not something like that, and they are hiding their true emotions, maybe the truth about themselves. They are not telling you anything about them. So that may be the reason you're quite confused, and you have a lot of doubts on this person. And maybe there are certain things you hear about them. Maybe your common friends, they may tell you certain things about them. Some kind of a news. It may be a bad news about them, maybe about their past, or maybe about their characteristics. So something is making you confused, and you feel that you cannot trust them anymore. And there is something unexpected happening in your circumstance today. Maybe whatever you hear about this person, it is just telling you that they are not what you have thought of them to be, or that image you had. That is what to say. It's that rumors or whatever information you hear, it's destroying the image they have in your mind. So that is the reason you are quite worried and you feel that you cannot trust them anymore. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's 10 of Swords. So looks like this person has not told you the truth at all, guys. So you feel really you feel that they have let you down drastically, and it's really painful. They have not told you anything, and whatever they have um, given you, maybe the bits and pieces of information, it's not true, and you feel really disappointed and sad because of the way they have treated you, because you are someone really loving, friendly, trustworthy, but this person has not uh, trusted you. They have not what to say, loved you enough to trust you with information about them. So that is what you may feel today, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We picked one card, Four of Cups. So, in your work circumstances, you are worried about something. Maybe you are thinking about your personal life and you are not able to concentrate on work, but you are getting a lot of new offers, opportunities. So, you must, Libras, if you are interested, you can take up meditation, guys. That will help you a lot today. So that is going to bring that harmonious, balanced mindset, so you will be able to see things more clearly and what to say, handle your circumstance in a much better way. So that is the energy with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. And stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, guys. That is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is your first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card. So it is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Solar Light. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today, in your circumstances, you are healing from some circumstance you have been through. And healing does not mean that you need to be perfect, but you must be aware of the truth that you are a divine being and you're always connected to the universe or God or that higher spirit, whatever you call it. And that higher spirit or that conscious universe wants always the best for you. And you need to understand that when you know that you have that divine link, that unbreakable bond with that higher power, you will see your circumstance from a higher perspective, and you will not go back to your old patterns, whatever you wanted to move away from, guys. So that higher spirit can guide you where you need to be today. Maybe if you do not know what should be your next decision, maybe you are deciding something and you are not clear about those choices, you just need to meditate. Meditate, be silent for some time, and you will get that answer you need. And you must always be present, be aware of your actions, be aware of your circumstances. When you do that, you will create your own future, whatever you wish for, and you will move towards your dreams and goals, whatever that may be. And It boosts your self confidence and inner strength to hold on to whatever dreams or goals or uh, whatever we want to do. So, those intentions, positive intentions. So, you will have that courage to hold on to all those positive intentions and your goals or aspirations, whatever it is. And this crystal uh, card is about that, guys. It is about non attachment in any circumstance and seeing your circumstance from a higher perspective. So you will make the right choice without a speck of selfishness, and you are going to make that from a higher ground, feeling really balanced and peaceful at heart. So, when you make such decisions, you will never go wrong. So, that is the energy here with this card, guys. So, let's see what is the second card for you all. We will see the second card. So, for those who chose this card, Snow White, purity. So, with this card, it just means that maybe in your circumstances, you have faced a lot. Maybe you have seen so much evil. You have seen people rejecting you or people really envious of you. But whatever bad things you have seen till now, it's not been enough to change you, because you are someone pure hearted, you are a pure soul, uncorrupted. And that is the beauty of your character. And maybe today your that beauty is going to shine. And even when others try to harm you and they are really bitter to you and they consider you as their rival, however they are towards you, you never reciprocate that. You never take revenge on those people. You just see evil, but you do not go for those what to say toxic feelings. You are someone pure hearted and you're going to come out of these tests successfully, and your kindness will be rewarded. There will be trying times you are seeing today, maybe some challenges in your work or even in your relationship, but you are going to win, and you are someone really loving, caring, trustworthy person. And all that evil, whatever you faced, has not touched your heart, and you are a very pure soul. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you are good to everyone, and that goodness is coming back to you multifold, guys. And your kindness will always be rewarded. So you need not feel that you are really kind and compassionate, but people are not like that towards you. They are showing their angry side to you. You need not worry about all that, because with this card I see that your good nature is going to be rewarded today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.